Abhishek, people who have heart issues, people who've got stenting done, या कोई किसी तरह का सर्जरी हो उनका, तो can they still get a policy?
So they can get a policy definitely. अब अपन पहले ये देखते हैं that what all can happen. अगर आपको हार्ट इशू होगा तो आपको या तो स्टेंटिंग होगी जिसको हम एंजियोप्लास्टी बोलते हैं, या आपको बाईपास होगा, या आपका ओपन हार्ट होगा. ओपन हार्ट इज द लास्ट लेवल. ओपन हार्ट के बाद में यू विल नॉट गेट एनी पॉलिसी दैट विल कवर योर हार्ट कंडीशन. ओपन हार्ट इज अ स्ट्रिक्ट नो नो. बट अगर आपकी स्टेंटिंग हुई है और बाईपास हुआ है एक बार पिछले 7 सालों में, इन द लास्ट 7 years, इफ यू डन stenting once or bypass once, it is not both, then you can get a heart specific policy and will also cover heart conditions at a later stage, which means stenting होने के बाद भी, bypass होने के बाद भी मुझे ऐसी पॉलिसी मिल सकती है जो मेरे हार्ट के कंडीशंस को भी कवर करेगी at a later stage. But when they are going to give you this policy, before that they are going to check your latest 2D echo reports and treadmill ECG reports, just to ensure that what is the current level of, what is the current status of your heart. If you've, let's say, if you've done the stenting in the last 7 years or bypass, is it 100% clear that you will get this policy? No. They will go through your reports, they will assess your condition, and then basis that condition, they will give you this policy. Either they'll give you this policy or they will not give you this policy. But is a policy available? Yes. Let's say, what is the success ratio of these policies? If 10 people will apply, probably 5 to 6 of them will get this policy, 4 of them will not get, because even after stenting and bypass, the heart condition is not that great. अभी कोई जान के तो पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी नहीं मारेगा ना कि मुझे मालूम है आपका हार्ट कंडीशन ठीक नहीं है, मैं फिर भी आपको पॉलिसी दे रहा हूँ. The great part about these policies is that after a waiting period of 2 years, all your heart related ailments are also covered, which means like it's a win-win for all, right? Again, in terms of who all are providing these policies, CARE has a cardiac policy which you can go for. Star Health Insurance has a cardiac policy that you can go for. Of course, can you take a 50 lakh rupee cardiac policy? No. The maximum limit to the coverage is around 10 lakh rupees. So 10 lakh rupee tak ka policy Star can give you, CARE can give you after evaluation of your tests, and you can go ahead and enjoy your coverage even when there's a stent in your heart or you've undergone a bypass for your heart.